Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now we continue our lecture, which is the final lecture, Ethics of Innovation. Let me start. Invention. Invention is defined as the creation of a product or the introduction of a process for the first time. Invention solves a concrete problem with the means of technology. It is a novel scientific idea conceived through research and experimentation that turn into a tangible object or product. It can be a new process of producing a product, or maybe an improvement upon a product or a new product. Invention can be patented as it provides security to inventor for intellectual property rights and also identified it as an actual invention. In simple words, invention is a novel or a new product which is to solve the problem. In Malaysia, we have MyIPO as an organization that manages the IP, intellectual property. You can register your product in order to get a patent of your product under the MyIPO. Now, innovation. Innovation is defined as the transformation of an idea into reality. It can be described as a change or add-on value to the product or services that fulfill the needs of the customer. Can be an introduction or development a new product, process, technology, service, or improving, redesigning the existing one that provides solution to the current market requirement. Innovation, in simple words, is enhancement of the current product or current process or current service in order to improve or to solve the current problems. Nowadays, is a lot of innovation instead of invention. It is include our smart device, which is the research, the experiment, the study of the smart device has been conducted in previous years ago, but the product exists today, and then the product become more advanced with more features because of innovation. I hope you understand and be able to differentiate between invention and innovation. This slide shows us the comparison between invention and innovation. The features that we compare as stated on the slide. As you can read by yourself. You have a further question, you can ask. Invention, simple word, creation of something new, equal with a new knowledge. And innovation can be defined transformation of an idea or resources into useful application. As a result, a new product, service, or process. In industry, innovation often means process working fast. Next is incorporating with the latest technology to transform the way the industry engage with the community. The third point is taking user need into account and give a solution to their problem. Finally, a new model of shared value partnership, thinking more like an incubator than a serial process driven system, which is investing. Ethical framework of innovation. Innovation is humanistic, solve a problem, solve the community problems. Innovation is non-hierarchical, which means no bureaucracy during certain process, which is improve the processing time. Innovation is participatory, which is innovation normally involves the real community. Innovation is sustainable, means build a skill even if most individual endeavor will ultimately fail in their societal goal, which means help the community develop themselves to improve their lifestyle, to improve their thinking style. That's we call innovation. 9 principles of ethics. When you want to do the innovation, you must consider design with the user, understand the existing ecosystem. You can avoid the community ecosystem designed for scale, built for sustainability. You can't do a innovation, but at the end, the process, the product cannot be sustained. Be data driven. Use open standard, open data, open source, and open innovation, which means involve more people, more community. Means a lot of people can get benefit from the innovation will much better. Reuse and improve. In certain situation, you need to reuse the existing technology instead of produce the new technology. But with the existing technology, you must improve in order to enhance the process to better. Next is do not harm. Please make sure your product that you innovate do not harm the people. Finally, you must be collaborative. You cannot work silo. You must work with committee and a team. That is a 9 principle of ethics to become an innovator when you want to do an innovation. That's all. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.